Ultimea Poseidon D60 Soundbar. Main features are: Ultimea Poseidon D60 Soundbar builds significantly upon the S50 model by introducing true 5.1-channel physical surround sound and significantly higher power delivery. 410-watt peak power. Delivers up to 410 watts of maximum output power, providing massive, room-filling sound volume. Bass MX technology. Powers a 5.25-inch subwoofer paired with a 7.2L cabinet to produce deep, adjustable, rumbling bass. Ultimea mobile app control. Offers access to a custom 10-band equalizer and up to 121 preset EQ matrices via your phone. Independent speaker tuning. The remote control allows you to adjust both the bass levels and the independent volume of the rear surround speakers with a single click. Physical satellite cable length. Includes 20-foot, 6-meter, long audio wires connecting the rear speakers directly to the subwoofer for flexible room placement. HDMI ERC. Enables lossless, high-resolution Dolby Atmos transmission and allows you to adjust the system volume using your existing TV remote control. Wireless streaming. Built with Bluetooth 5.3 for faster data transmission and low-latency audio casting from mobile devices or computers. Legacy support. Equipped with physical optical 3.5mm AUX and USB input ports to accommodate older TVs and media players. Inputs. Packed with HDMI ERC, optical, 3.5mm aux, and USB ports. Bluetooth 5.3 allows quick, low-latency pairing with your smartphone, tablet, or Bluetooth-equipped television. Ultimea App Control offers access to advanced smart app features, including a 10-band graphic equalizer and 121 pre-tuned EQ matrices to customize your sound stage. Limitations. While it excels at handling Dolby tracks, the system does not support DTS audio formats.